Members of the Southwest Northwest Women Task Force recently held their General Assembly in Bamenda, chieftown of the Northwest region of Cameroon. The 2 days meeting took place at the auditorium of the Northwest Regional Assembly with the women brainstorming on how to better the association.
We are talking about conflict, we are talking about all these processes, peace tables, we are talking about elections, we are talking about many other things. How do we position ourselves as women who find themselves in fragile context to be part of this and make sure that our communities also are part of it, make sure that the voices of our communities, are captured into all what we're doing in order to be a table at the right quarters when the time comes. We want to see a management team which is ready to deliver.
The General Assembly was also focused on the reorganization of the Southwest Northwest Task Force.
I'm the chair of the ad hoc committee of the Southwest Northwest Women Task Force. We have been having this committee now for the past 8 months, trying to restructure Snwot, particularly addressing and looking into the governance documents of Snwot that has to do with the charter, the financial procedure, the administrative procedure, the internal rules and regulations, the conflict of interest document, the electoral procedure. And so for these 2 days, we have successfully analyzed all these documents and we have come to a conclusion, and these documents have been adopted.
Deliberations from the General Assembly are expected to enhance the task force's mission to advocate for women's and family rights and the promotion of justice and peace in the Northwest and Southwest regions.